we've got pretty good cell coverage on this. I used all the different configurations we have: warm up, steady state, free tune, load path. Examples are hard to hit areas. You might want to use free tune or load path. Primarily, you're probably going to use steady state or roll on. As you can see, that covered most of the cells in this map. Now that we're done with data collection, we're going to calculate a correction. Tuninglink software is automatically going to do this for you, and it will show you every correction that was made in all the cells we hit. Tell it OK. We're going to calculate the rear cylinder, all the changes that were made to the VE table in the rear cylinder. Tell it OK. You can see we got really good coverage. Now we have our finished tune from that session.